Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we're going to pull out this old letterbox, because as you can see, it's pretty buggered, and we're going to build a new letterbox.
The thing is, Bob, it's not crazy. It's that I just don't care.
Okay, before I put this box together, I figured it would make sense to paint the inside. I'm going to end up painting both sides, but make sure the inside's painted so when it's all screwed together I don't have to get in there and remember these three pieces that I glued together at the start of the episode? I don't actually need three pieces, I only need two. I'm gonna go rip this groove and this tongue off, which forms the lid of the letterbox. got a little drip edge along the bottom of each door as well. I think it should be sweet. Threshold there to stop the water going in.
I like it.
Yeah. But then this here was a bit slack. I just fired finishing nails in here. But you know, I'm a bloody builder, not a cabinet maker. So thanks for watching this exciting episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Anything to say, Pato?
Free money, but I'm out now.
Make sure to join Pato on Instagram.
Don't you think it's a weird thing though?
It is, eh?
Yeah.
Followers. I forgot to say how I held it up. Got these right angle brackets with bracing on them, anchored into the block and screwed into the bottom of the treated plywood.
Amazing.
Both sides. So pretty damn solid.
Well, there's lovely today.
Absolutely.